Once you're already in the Brand Journal tab, create your first news or press release by clicking New Story and make it public on your newsroom. Use separate elements to enter your text and other content. Choose from various types, including background photos, titles, leads, regular text, quotes, images, galleries, call to action buttons, and many more. At any time, you can upload attachments to each press release, clicking the paperclip icon in the top right corner. Configure more advanced parameters, like the tab it should be located in, or tags that help you organize your content. Be sure to check out the Journalist Toolbox. It's a special feature for journalists to make it easier for them to copy a plain text version of your story and download all the attachments you've added into it. By clicking Preview, you can check if your story is ready to be published. If you're ready to go live, just close the creator and change its status to published. If you plan to distribute your story before you publish it in your brand journal, check out the next video.